ग्राहक साथी 1 June 2024, Volume 4, Number 47. Protect yourself against cyber frauds. India is witnessing a rise in cyber scam cases, with people falling prey to the schemes of online fraudsters and losing lakhs of money. What is even more distressing is that scammers are constantly inventing new ways to deceive people. Therefore, even if someone is aware of a particular scam, the emergence of new scams often confuses people, causing them to fall victim to these cyber frauds. Currently, 3 scams: courier or parcel scam, electricity bill payment scam, and KYC update fraud are on the rise, with a lot of people falling victim to this. In this issue, we bring you detail on how these are carried out and what you can do to safeguard yourself. Courier or parcel scam. The fraud begins with a phone call from someone claiming to be from FedEx customer service. The caller informs the victim that a package linked to their Aadhaar number has been intercepted because it allegedly contains illegal items. Despite the victim not knowing about any such package, the scammer insists it was dispatched from Mumbai and is now stuck in customs due to the discovery of narcotics among the items. Once the victim believes their claims, the scammers proceed to ask the victim to join a Skype call where they impersonate officers from the narcotics department. During the call, they manipulate and stress the victim further. They ask the victim to give their Aadhaar and other identification details, as well as their bank account information. Additionally, under the pretext of verification, the scammers further ask the victim to transfer money, assuring them that it is refundable. However, once the victim sends the money, the scammers cut off all contact, leaving the victim to lose their money without any recourse. How to protect yourself? Be aware of unexpected calls or messages claiming to be from courier services or law enforcement agencies. Verify the information with official sources. If you receive any suspicious communication, independently verify the information by contacting the courier company directly. Do not share personal details such as your Aadhaar number, bank account information, or any other sensitive data, especially over the phone or through unfamiliar websites or links. Do not rush into action. Scammers often create a sense of urgency and panic to pressure victims into making hasty decisions. Take your time, gather information, and consult with trusted individuals before making any transactions or sharing personal information. If you receive a call or message regarding a courier parcel or an unexpected package, especially if you have not sent any or are not expecting one, approach it with skepticism. Verify the legitimacy of the information through reliable channels before taking any action. If you suspect a scam, report it immediately by calling 112 or 1930 or visit the nearest cybercrime police station. Electricity bill payment scheme. Dear customer, your electricity power will be disconnected tonight at 9:30 p.m. from the electricity office because of your previous month's bill was not updated. Please immediately contact our electricity officer 82603-42. Thank you. Have you received any such SMS or message on WhatsApp? If yes, then beware and do not call the number or click on any link attached to these messages. In these types of online scams, fraudsters send fake text messages that appear to originate from official electricity departments. This message is allege that the recipient is as unpaid bills and threaten immediate disconnection of power. This creates a sense of panic and urgency, coercing unsuspecting individuals into making hasty payments. The messages are often cleverly crafted to appear legitimate, adding to the deceptive nature of the scam. Scammers may utilize official logos and language, and they may even include the recipient's name and account number. This can make it difficult to distinguish between genuine and fraudulent messages. Here are some steps to safeguard yourself against such scams and determine whether the message is fake or not. Verify the source of the message. there is a clear distinction between personal and official phone numbers. Official messages from the electricity board or supplier usually come from recognized official numbers. Do not panic. Exercise caution if any message or caller from an unknown numbers urges you to take immediate action regarding your electricity bill payment. Scammers often create a sense of urgency or panic to prevent individuals from carefully considering the situation. Pay attention to content. Scrutinize the message for spelling and grammatical errors as well as any inconsistencies. Government notices from any department are usually well drafted and free of such errors and awkward punctuations. Reach out directly to the relevant department. If you have missed a payment or encounter suspicious communication, reach out directly to the electricity board or supplier using the official contact details provided on your previous bills. KYC update frauds. In a press release, RBI has said that the modus operandi of such type of frauds usually involves individuals receiving unsolicited communications, including phone calls, SMS, emails, through which they are manipulated into revealing personal information, account login details, or installing unauthorized or unverified apps through links provided in the messages. RBI has also urged individuals to not share account login credentials, card information, PINs, passwords, and OTPs with anyone. Further, the RBI requested individuals to not share KYC documents or copies of KYC documents with unknown or unidentified individuals or organizations. As soon as individuals notice that they have been victims of financial cyber fraud, they should immediately lodge a complaint on the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal www.cybercrime.gov.in or through the Cybercrime Helpline 1930. Here is what else you can do if you have been a victim of financial cyber frauds. In the event of receiving any requests for KYC updation, directly contact your bank financial institution for confirmation or assistance. Obtain the contact number, customer care phone number of the bank financial institution only through its official website or official sources. Inform your bank financial institution immediately in case of any cyber fraud incident. Enquire with your bank branch to ascertain available modes option for updating KYC details. If you have found this useful, kindly share it with all those you care for. Editorial team: Chairman CERC and Torch Praful Amin, Chairman CERS Walter Vieira, CEO and Executive Editors Uday Mawani, Associate Editors Anusha Iyer, Rashmi Goyal, Editorial Assistant Meena Bathwi. Address: Consumer Education and Research Center, 802 Grahak Suvidha Kendra, Sakar 2, next to Ellisbridge Police Station, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad 380006. Phone number 07935337262. Email address complaints@cercindia.org. Helpline number 1800233022. ध्वनि मुद्रण शांता मेहता डिजिटल टॉकिंग बुक लाइब्रेरी, अंजन मंडल, वस्त्रापुर, अहमदाबाद 380015. Voice over by Anal Dave.